Hello, everyone. This is Chirali at ED Times, and today we have a very special guest with us, none other than the celebrated actor Miss Vidya Balan, for her latest release, Do Aur Do Pyar, with Pratik Gandhi, Ileana D'Cruz, and Sendhil Ramamurthy, directed by Shirsha Guathakurtha, releasing on 19th April. Hello, Vidya ma'am. Thank you for joining me. It's wonderful to be speaking with you.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm very well. I'm upbeat. I'm excited. Closer to release, so I can't wait to see how people react to the film.
With Do Do Pyar, you are returning to romantic comedies after a while, and
After
it
10
looks like you're
years,
enjoying it.
it's one of my favorite genres. I'm a
Mm.
romantic at heart, and I love comedies. And I just feel that romantic comedy is that genre that can just make you smile and laugh on a bad day. I've
Mhm.
definitely not done one in a long time. So I just felt like it's time to laugh and make others laugh.
Do you think that modern couples will relate to the take on relationships that's shown in the film?
Oh, definitely. Whether you've been in a long relationship or you've been in a long marriage or you've been in a relationship before, not any longer, even if you're single, even if you're
Mhm.
divorced, whatever it is, I think you'll identify with what is happening on screen with different parts of it. I think that's what makes it funny. That's what that's why it lends itself to humor so easily. I definitely think it's a story that people will connect with, that will resonate with them, that they'll, laugh about because they feel like, oh my God, that's me.
Now, this is kind of like a TMI question, but I
Yes.
did want to ask: do married people have sex?
Oh, most definitely. I I definitely think that what happens is there are lots of jokes doing the rounds about this. I know enough married people who have sex, and I know enough married people who don't have sex. It's not like marriage kills sex, but it definitely has a potential to. Because once you get so comfortable
Hmm.
with the other person, right? And when you
Hmm.
know so much more about the person, when the other person is waking up with their hair all over the place first thing in the
Hmm.
morning, I think a
It's
lot
very
of
nice.
people
Hmm.
yearn for the sex that they had when they first met.
Mhm.
That's not possible.
Mhm.
Even in an arranged marriage,
Hmm.
a couple who has sex initially has sex in a different way from when they have sex after a
Hmm.
while of
Hmm.
being together. There's a different beauty to it, in my opinion.
नफरत है तुम्हारी बेगुन पोस्टों से।
मुझे भी नफरत है तुम्हारे स्टेनलेस स्टील के बर्तनों से। पूरे किचन को तुमने किराने की दुकान बना दिया।
What's wrong with stainless steel?
Are
Yeah.
vegans allowed to have chicken after sex?
If you're having sex with a non-vegan, maybe yes. In life, no, there should be no set
Mhm.
do's and don'ts, except when it comes to, I think, integrity, right?
Hmm.
You can't go around disrespecting or slapping people because that's not okay, you know. But
Hmm.
I,
Definitely.
I think we need to be a little more relaxed. You know,
Hmm.
people are so woke about everything. Because I really think that I don't care, and without any disrespect to anyone, I only care about what I want to do, how I
Hmm.
want to live, what I want to say, what I want to eat, what I want to drink, when I want to sleep, where I want to sleep, what I don't care about anything else.
फिर तो सेम है, but I guess हम इस पे सोते कहाँ थे?
Amongst all the senselessly violent films, do you think Do Aur Do Pyar will be a clutter breaker for families?
Oh, for sure, for sure. I'd say people from 18 onwards, upwards, will be able to identify with it and enjoy it that much more. So
Mhm.
I definitely think it's a clutter breaker.
Mhm.
And I'm waiting to see how people enjoy it. I'm just welcoming
Definitely.
people with open arms into the theaters and saying, come have a good laugh and go back. There's enough stress and strife in your life. Forget about all that. Just come, have a good time and go back.
सिल्क स्मिता वाली नाइटी नहीं पहन के आती, कुछ नहीं होता।
मैं तो पहन के आई थी, उतारी किसने?
I do have to ask, is it true that you came up with with the title Do or Do Pyar?
Yes, in fact, I did. Because it was initially called Lovers, and we all loved the title. But
Mm-hmm.
then we thought that, we should probably, we were just discussing various things. We were not even thinking of changing the title, honestly. But we were discussing something, and suddenly it struck me that Do or Do is Char, but it would be a fun play on words if it's Pyar.
उससे बोल दो ना दादा कि तुम्हें किसी और से प्यार हो गया है।
काश मुझे पता होता कि बात दोनों में से बोलूं किसे।
Most films usually have an emphasis on you, but after a long time, are we seeing you sharing screen space with a posse of fabulous actors? So, how was that experience for you?
Oh, fabulous. But I have to say that I've always had the opportunity to work with fabulous actors, but it's a different kind of film. You needed 4 actors in this film. I enjoyed working with these actors, Pratik, Ilyana, and Sendil, equally. And I'm not being politically correct here, but Pratik was a revelation. You have to see him in the film. He's hilarious. Sendil is. I say this, and in a very tongue-in-cheek way, that if you had to have an affair, it better be Sendil Ramurthy. So, good on you, Kavya, for choosing Sendil. And Ilyana is just lovely. It's exciting to work with good actors because your script can be great, but actors either elevate a script or then they don't.
Before we go, could you give a short message to our readers at ED Times?
Keep smiling. Every moment is an opportunity to start anew. So it's never the end of anything. And in the same vein, Do or Do Pyar is an opportunity to smile and laugh and just have a good time.
वीगन्स को सेक्स के बाद चिकन अलाउड है क्या?
Thank you so much for your time, Vidya ma'am. It was wonderful having you here with us.
Thank
Wish you all the best
Darling.
for your
Thank you so much.
PR.